How is Shelby using propane?
Yeah, so we have equipment that's in the tens of millions of BTU that is running on propane right now. Potential cost to have this facility run on the natural gas that we needed would have far outweighed our propane option. Our cost was primarily in the tank. We have a very large tank. But the convenience of being able to go so much sooner is priceless for us. It was available, we didn't have to wait, and the construction project was started almost immediately. What I originally thought was going to be an immediate, we're dead in the water, you can't meet that demand, propane is very capable, and we've had zero issues meeting our largest BTU demands right now are running on propane, not natural gas.
And you're okay with the price?
Absolutely. Again, we that fear of, are we going to get baited and switched? Are they going to get us? Gotcha. That was completely eliminated in the beginning with reviewing pricing for the course of the year. And our suppliers is incredibly fair. We're meeting equipment demands in the millions of BTU, as well as the teeniest, tiniest little piece of equipment you could think of. We've had no issues running it off propane.